Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Dodge Dart guys and you have problems with your ABS pump or your ABS and traction control module, that's the computer guys. We'll explain where the whole ABS traction control module and the ABS pump are located. And we'll guys show you that, so if you need to replace it, you know what to do guys. As you can see, we have guys the engine, the transmission out. Practically you don't have to do that. But we guys have more than 100 videos on the engine and the transmission alone guys, and more than 200 videos on Dodge Dart. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. With that engine and transmission out of the car guys, we can show you with a great detail where things are. So that's why we decided to make the video, because otherwise it's practically impossible guys to show you with the camera what to expect. So now this is guys a 2013 Dodge Dart, but it's the same for the whole generation from 2013 to 2016. And your Dodge Dart guys, okay, right here you can see this is your brake, okay, manual brake pump. This is the pedal pump. This is the one that creates the pressure guys. But now you have ABS pump. This is the one for the ABS, and you have a traction control and brake module as well, ABS module. And I'm talking about that little device right here. So looking at it guys, okay, that thing on the back side, now right here, this is your pump, that thing. This is guys your valves for the traction control and the ABS. This is guys the computer. That black thing, this is your computer. So how you guys get to that thing? Now this is guys $1 million question on that car. Quite complicated, right? You won't be able guys to just go ahead and replace the computer. Usually that computer attaches to the ABS pump and the module only through 3 bolts. Okay, 1 bolt back there and 2 bolts on the bottom side, but you cannot get to those. So what do you guys need to do now? As you can see, all the lines, okay, will need to be removed guys. All those lines will need to be removed in order to get that module out. Otherwise practically guys it will be impossible to do that. And you will need to disconnect the lines also here from the brake pump, so you can get a little bit more room. That way you can replace it guys. Otherwise I don't think you'll be able without bending them too much and breaking them. The location is makes it really hard to work on. Okay, here is guys, here is the original information. It's called controller anti-lock brake, and that's where it's located guys. Not easy to replace, to be honest with you. You have 2 bolts right here that hold it to the bracket on the bottom. So once you remove those, you'll be able to slide it up some, but you need to disconnect all your brake lines in order to do that. Otherwise you won't be able to just replace the module only. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you guys having that problem. We're planning on making a video once we put the car together, how to replace it from start to finish. So please guys, subscribe to the channel. If you need any tools and parts, usually we have those listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So thanks for watching and see you guys next time.